Today I'm going to be going over how I make anywhere between $72.10 to $126 per day, every single day, passively by using and leveraging Amazon. So as of yesterday, we can look at our reports. My sum for all my different earnings and products were $72.10. And that is a little bit on the lower end, to be honest with you. So I got 396 clicks, 64 items shipped, 2 returned, 16% conversions. That's how much revenue I was able to help Amazon get. And then that's my total commissions, and it goes into every single product that I've done. And I think right now I'm at 311 products. And again, this is like yesterday, to be very honest and transparent with you guys, was my very first day where I didn't do 5 reviews. I'm trying to do 5 a day, and I only got 1 yesterday. And even still, I only got 1 review up and loaded. I still made $72 without really doing anything. And so that was just yesterday. But for the whole month, and granted, we're only on the 16th of May, you got to realize I'm at $1,237.11. And so that's 7,825 clicks, 1,035 items shipped, 30 returned, 13.23% conversion. That's how much revenue I've helped generate for Amazon, and that's my total earnings. So it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And like I said, this is just in May, and I started at the beginning of April. So it was pretty slow the first month of April. But as you keep continuing to do, just add simple videos, it starts to multiply, and it starts to scale, and it starts to work in your favor, which is amazing. It's an amazing thing compared to, let's say, just posting on TikTok, and I think you get like some amount of cents per video or something like that, per 1,000. I don't even remember, and then I remember I was just hoping and praying all the time to get sales through commissions and stuff. But if I stopped posting on TikTok, or I stopped posting on Instagram or Pinterest or anything like that, all of my sales would go away. Now I could literally take an entire week off, and still Amazon is showing my videos to potential people who are interested in what I did the reviews for. They want influencers to show like, hey, this is the item that I use. This is how I use it. This is why I bought it. And so Amazon loves you. Amazon loves their influencers. Now, if we go on our community here, we have 358 of us, and that have learned and have joined the program, and are getting accepted into the program. And then every single day we get messages like this saying like, hey, they had a personal best today. So just today they earned $170.97. And we're all just loving it, right? Just so excited. And then another person today, they made over $1,520. This one's not today. This is for, the last couple of weeks. And then if you scroll down, you just keep seeing more and more, right? This person just made their first $1,000. This person made $46.87. And they just barely crossed the $1,000 mark, which is amazing. And then here was me the other day, hit 103. So you're starting to see just the power. Every single person who creates videos, it's inevitable that you'll be making money. It's just a numbers game. And so I love our community here, where we're just sharing, and like another person just hit their $1,000 mark. We're just sharing all of our wins. We're asking questions. We're doing a lot of things that can really help expedite the process. This person just earned $99.96. So you can see every single person that's doing reviews is winning. And so if you're wondering what is Amazon influencers, here's just a brief description. Amazon influencers can upload videos and earn commissions. Upload your product reviews, buying guides, unboxing videos, and more. Videos do not need to be exclusive to Amazon, and you can reuse your existing catalog. To upload videos on Amazon, influencers must be part of the influencer program. If you're not already in the Amazon influencer program, click here to learn more. So if we click here to learn more, I just wanted to give you guys briefly, just a basic explanation. So you want to monetize your content with Amazon influencer program. As an Amazon influencer, we give you the tools you need to select the best of Amazon's products and services, easily recommend them to your followers, and earn commissions on qualifying purchases. You can also inspire customers to shop Amazon's millions of products by curating your personalized page on Amazon, where you can publish your live stream, shoppable photos, and videos. As a selected member of the program, you may also qualify to be featured across the Amazon site. These options make it easier than ever to engage with Amazon customers and monetize your content. So first, you just build your storefront. Number two, you create content and recommend products to your audience. And our competitive conversion rates help maximize earnings. So frequently asked questions. What is an Amazon influencer? As a member of the Amazon Influencer Program, you are a content creator who provides recommendations to inspire your audience via social media. If you are a media company or a brand and want to drive traffic to Amazon, you should apply. So this is just the beautiful part about Amazon Influencer Program. Now, we have a free workshop training that you can check out in the link down below. I'll post that there. That's literally how I got started. And I'm very upset with myself because I had the potential to join this program over a year ago. Can you imagine? I started this a month and a half ago, April 1st. It's now May 17th. I've made over $1,200. But what happens if I started this a year ago? My entire life could probably be way different right now because my goal is to be making around $5,000 monthly. My goal is to help potentially retire my wife because she works nights, 312s right now. We're going to have another kid here. We already have a 3-year-old, and then we're going to have another one here coming in October. And so I'm really wanting to have her be home more and to support our family. And so that's a huge goal of mine. And I think that this is going to be one of my major sources to do that and to hit that goal. So if you have a why to make more money online, if you're wanting to figure this whole process out, so it's not just some kind of fairy tale dream, I'm literally sharing you guys day to day what my results are in hopes to inspire you, to keep me accountable, to literally get people involved who are wanting to make this a reality. And so if you have questions, let me know down below. I'm always happy to help out, and I want to hopefully motivate and inspire. And watch that training. It will literally show you from 5 experts that have done this for over a year now, some of them generating $300, $400 per day doing this process. And they're the ones who've created these trainings to make sure that you get accepted, that you know what being an influencer is about, so that you are not trying to figure this all out on your own. It's impossible to figure out on your own if you don't have all this training. The reason being is because I've been doing social media now for 3 or 4 years, and I was completely lost in this process without their help. So highly, highly recommend it. Give it a shot if you haven't. Check it out. You know, if it's for you, great. If not, great. You might as well at least see if it's something for you. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later.
Report to the dance floor. The bad girls and man whores. There's a feeling in the club, and it's going airborne. Phil Collins.